I'm going to be traveling from Udupi to Mangalore, and mostly I'll be exploring beaches, so that's the reason I have the name Vitamin C series. It's not vitamin C, it's vitamin C. So the first place that we're going to go right now is St. Mary's Island, and my boat is already coming on the way. Let's go. It's a 5-kilometer boat ride from Alpesi Walk to St. Mary's Island. I had to hop onto another boat because the other one doesn't go anywhere close to St. Mary's Island because that's a bigger one. It's a bright sunny day. Let's see what's there on St. Mary's Island. St. Mary's Island is actually more, it has 6 unique rocks around. This is the most special about St. Mary's Island, and it's actually very sunny. I don't know why I came in this summer. Summer vitamin C's. Whoa. Oh, this one is nice. There was this lagoon kind of thing that was there. This would be really good for kids to play around.
Actually, your phone got switched off. Like, can you click some pictures of us and can you send us through WhatsApp?
Sure. Sure.
It's completely discharged, so we are unable to click any pictures.
You want me to take pictures?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Come. But you have to give me your WhatsApp number.
Yes, I'll give you that.
Actually, nothing except sun and C. I mean, vitamin C and vitamin C. That's it. That's a very cool rock formation, but I'm pretty scared also. Okay. Scared, yes. I can't go there with my chappals on. I have to go barefoot. Wow. Wow. काल सुड़ती जाए. St. Mary's. I think I'll just sit here for some time. You know what? I'll just sit here for a while. Even though it's deadly sunny, I will actually sit here for quite some time. Man, look at the view. Forget about me getting tanned and the sun. It's actually a bit scary. I don't know if I have to sit here or not. I'm not scared. I will not go and sit there because I'm scared. I have fear of heights and depths. Oof. But yeah, I'll at least sit here because here it's pretty decent. I can sit. This is safe. It's time already because it's 2:30. That boat runner told me to come at 2:50, so I'll have to be walking towards the other side. There, I'm not sure if you can see that yellow boat right there, but I have to walk till there on this island. This is a friend I made, and coincidentally his name is Sumant. I mean, add a TH in front of my name, and he asked me if I could take a video, and here it is. So for now there's nothing in St. Mary's Island. There are few stalls with watermelon and some water also, pretty costly. I'm sweating from top to bottom, and also with this luggage. But next episode is actually going to be very interesting because I have something in my bag. That's episode 2. I'm still embarrassed to speak into camera. People look at me like I'm an alien. It'll take time. With the summer heat, I don't know how I'll survive for 2 days. It's vitamin survival. Okay, that's it for the vlog for this episode. See you next episode. Next episode is gonna be interesting. I'll be going to a lot of places, which will actually be great. Till then, bye.